Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what we're going to do this morning is have a look at these door mirror housings. These are the rare ones, these are the power folding ones. So what we're going to do is put the seals on, new seals, and you can see on the mirror cases a bit of overspray there and slight bit of overspray there. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean that off, clean the outer housings down as well. We won't be putting the painted covers on yet because they're still at the body shop, and replace these two seals as well. To replace these two seals, what we need to do, we need to deepin this and feed the wire through the actual seal. So let's go ahead and move along. So we managed to get the overspray off the housing, so that's good. I'll do a final clean on that once I've changed the seal. So what we need to do now guys is remove these terminals from the terminal block, and then obviously remove the seal there and slide this seal off the back of the mirror. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So to remove these terminals from the terminal block, what we need to do guys is just unclip this, which just pops off like that either side. And then what we need to do is you will need a terminal removal tool, and what that's for is, I'll just show you. So here you can see at the side of each terminal there's two little holes. So what we need to do is, it's the inner hole you want to be aiming for. So each one of those, if you press in the tool into the hole, it will push a tab back on the terminal and allow you to remove the terminals. So I'll just go ahead and show you that. So the first one I've already done anyway, but what it does is it allows you to remove the terminal, and I don't know if you can see that there, but you'll see a little tab there, what pushes in when you push the tool in. And what you just need to do with that when you're putting it back together is just bend it out a little bit, and then the terminal pushes back into the block. But I'll show you that when we put it back together. So let me get the rest out guys. So here we are, is the terminal all depinned. What you've got to make sure guys is that when removing this terminal block is that you're aware of which way around the pins go back in, because as you can see there's different pegs on either side of it. I actually took some photos of it so I know whereabouts to go. You can do it by the numbers if you've got a wiring diagram, but best way to do it is just take a photo before you take it off. You see there on the face of it the orientation. So what we've got to do now guys is remove this, and then we can get to the main seal. Okay guys, so here we are, is the seal removed from the wiring. So, or the smaller seal, so that's the one that goes on the inside of the door. So what we need to do now is remove this one, same as the other one, just feed it down the wiring, and then it should come off okay. There we go, that's the seal all off. As you can see, I'll get into the back of it there now. So what we need to do now guys is replace it with the new seal. I'll just get the correct one, just bear with us a second, which I think is that one. So that's the other side. Yeah, so that's the correct one guys. If you need to replace that, it's part number 3512489. So let's go ahead and feed that on. Okay, so there's a new seal on. So it will actually sit in place better when the mirror's attached. As you can see guys, just a case of sliding it up there. So what we need to do now is Or just one thing is when you put this seal on, you need to make sure you get the lip of the seal to the face of the housing. So yeah, so what we'll do now, guys, we'll just put this this other seal on for the inside of the door. So let me go ahead and do that. There's the seal on, guys. So yeah, just a case again of sliding that one up. What we're going to do now is replace this one, this terminal block, back on. Just remember, guys, when the orientation of where it goes. Like I said earlier, I did take a picture, sorry, so I do know where this goes. So let me go ahead and get that done. There we go, guys. So that's the terminals all put back into the housing. It can be a bit fiddly trying to get the little tabs out on the terminal pins, but I tend to find that a needle is probably the best thing to do. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to clean this plastic housing down here. Once we've cleaned this plastic housing down, the mirror should virtually be done, waiting for apart from the glass, which we've got to do as well. Other than that, there's just the back part to go on. So let's go ahead and clean the plastic part. So here we are, guys. That's the housing all cleaned, all treated. So as you can see, looks it's rather nice, to be honest with you. So we're just waiting at the moment for the back part, but I'll fit that on once the mirrors are on the car. So that's the left hand side one done. So what I'm going to do now is do the near side one, exactly the same as the other one. So just bear with us a second, guys. Just a comparison, guys, on these. So this is one which hasn't been done yet, and this is the one which has been all cleaned up and with the new seal on, and you can see big difference on that. So let me go ahead and do this other one. Here's the other mirror with the terminal block removed. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is put the seal on. So this is the part number for the right hand side one, which is 3512530. So just let me do that. So here we are, guys. So that's the offside mirror all done as well. So what we're going to do now is clean the glasses for the mirrors, bob them in, and we should be done. So let me just do that. So to fit the glass, guys, so what we do is there's two terminals there. If they're heated, you bob the two terminals on there, and as you can see, there's pegs here and here and a couple at the bottom which go into these holes on the motor. So what we need to do, guys, is bob that in. So bear with me a second. Here we are, guys. Here's the mirrors with the glasses fitted, all cleaned up, brand new seals. So all these are waiting for is the mirror backs, which are painted body colour. So what we'll do, we'll wait for those when they come back from the body shop, but in the meantime, everything's done on these. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.